Wolves away. A good win, actually.
Yeah.
2-0, I think. Norgard and Tony got the goals. I remember Tony actually blanked a lot of the game, to be fair, but he got his goal at the end of the game, which was good.
That's all a striker really needs to do.
Yeah, and also, I think just after half-time, Wolves did equalise, but it was actually marginally ruled out for offside by VAR, which is good. Another VAR decision against Wolves, but really, a good win.
Yeah, positive.
Season felt like we were getting back on track at this point with the Forest win 2 weeks ago.